Dumelang. Greetings, sanbonani. Niyaphila guys. Ngiyazama mina. We're surviving, eh? We're surviving. Taking each day at a time. Each day at a time, guys. Okay, guys, we still continue with the CCMA rules that were released on the 21st of April this year. And in the previous video, we dealt with chapter 1. So now we're going to deal with part 2 of those rules. Right? Okay, guys, please continue to support, view the channel, view the videos. Please share with others, different platforms that you are able to share. Please share. Please subscribe. At the bottom of the video, there's a subscribe option. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's make it bigger. Let's spread the message. Let's spread the knowledge. Let's empower each other, guys. Let's empower each